Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, which for you will be all on the same day but for me will be over a few days, I want to completely finish this Mercedes estate, so get it completely built up. So as it stands right now, I've got quite a few pieces here, but I'm still waiting on a few pieces to finish this. So as these parts come in these next few days, I'll keep adding them to the car and keep adding a little bit to the video, and we'll have this completely finished in this video then, and I'm done with it. It won't be MOT'd, that'll be in another video, and obviously the price breakdown, but just this last video now, rebuilding it, and we'll get shut of it. So these are the parts I've got right now. We've got our passenger headlights put in, driver's seat belts, intercooler shroud, and we need to repair the wiring for the parking sensors, because they are damaged somewhere. There it is. They're damaged there. So I bought some of them waterproof little tubes. You'll have seen them before on other people's channels. Little tubes to heat up and they shrink and make it waterproof as well. So I got some of them. We also have here these, but the silver trim, like this one, hasn't turned up yet, so I can't fit them to the bumper. I've got the big grille there, but that can't go in until we've installed these pieces to the new bumper. And as you remember, I've ordered a replacement for this side because it's knackered. So it's that piece and the AMG version of this which is stopping us from putting the bumper on, which is unfortunate. But like I said, they're supposed to be here today, tomorrow, next few days for definite. So like I said, this video will be the complete reassemble now, the rest of this car. So I'm going to crack on now and get this intercooler on, the shroud on, headlight, and then we'll go inside and we'll do this seat belt. Right, pair of headlights both in now. Now they're roughly lined up, but they will need some adjustment once the bumper's on. So it's just temporary for now. Both look good though. So we'll move on to the intercooler now, and the intercooler shroud. That's the intercooler all in and plumbed up. The under tray is screwed back up. A few little brackets have been put on. All we've got left is the two plugs for the spotlights. So that is all good. So I'll move inside now and I'll throw this driver's seat belt in, and then we're done with the seat belts as well. Okay, that's the seat belt in. So all the interior, barring just putting the steering wheel airbag in when we've got that bit of a wiring harness, is done. Obviously needs a good clean. So last thing I can do right now until we get some more pieces is fix this wiring loom for the crash sensors. So we'll have a go at that now. We'll get these little plastic connectors out. Get the heat gun, make a bit of room, and have a go. Okay, I've stripped back some of the tape around this cabling to look at the damage, and all but one, there's only one good cable that's not damaged. All these, even the ones that are still intact, are mangled up, so I'm going to cut them, strip them back, and reconnect them all. Luckily they're all different colours, so there's no possibility of getting them wrong, I think. Might be 2 blue and browns, so one of them's still connected luckily, so we'll do them. I'll connect the one that's broke before I cut the one that's not broke. So let's crack on. Alright, so I've done one of them. Never used these before, so I thought I'd just do one off camera. And they're actually really good. I'm really impressed with it. Just stripped off the 2 ends, twist them together, put the sleeve over, low setting on a heat gun, and you can just about see it melts the actual bit of solder in the middle, so you get a good connection on your cable, and then it just shrinks to both sides to give you a water seal where them little red rubbers are. So I'll do one now on camera on a time lapse so you just see the process, and then I'll just do the rest off camera. There you go, simple as that. Really easy to use, can't go wrong with them. So I'll get the rest of them done now, get it all taped back up, and be spot on, won't it? No problem. There we go, looking good. So a bit of insulation tape now. I'm gonna tape in them all individually, just once over, and then I'll tape them all up as a bundle, tie them all up so they look like that. Be a bit bigger than that because obviously you've got that plastic there now and the solder, but it shouldn't be an issue. It's all hidden and it'll all work perfect. Okay, now it's time to finally finish this video. It's been another couple of days, and eventually this was the piece we were waiting for. The centre grille has eventually turned up. This can't be put on from the outside, it's got to go in behind, so we were stuck, we couldn't put the bumper on until this was here, but it's now here. So we can now finally get the new bumper built up with the new centre grille, the new LEDs, DRLs, sorry, and the new bumper bracket for the side. I need to take out the old one from this side, that's undamaged, and these do have the odd rivet in, so we've got to drill the rivets out, and I've got some stainless rivets here. Put it back in. You saw that we repaired the crash sensors. I've taped it all up and I have tested it, that's all fine. So all that we need to do then is get the bumper from over there, bring it over here and reassemble it with all these bits and pieces in, and then we can finally get it back on there, get the headlights lined up, and this is done, isn't it? It's finished. And let's not forget we've got our brand new centre grille as well, lovely black one. It's got a bit dirty because the rain comes through there, so that's going to go on as well, and I think this car will be looking rather fancy then and ready for its new owner. So let's crack on and get it finished. Right, what do we think about that? I'm really happy with it. Looks mint, to be fair. I really like the black grille. Makes it stand out a little bit more. We've got the AMG bumper now. Absolutely perfect. Really nice fit. Headlights perfect. Really happy. Still got that bit of lacquer to sort out, but that can be done now it's on the car. So let's get some plates on this, and I'm going to give it a quick road test. But yeah, thrilled to bits with that. Right, there we go. All done. Car is actually finally complete, barring a few bits and pieces. So that's all the front end back on. I'm not going to do a full walk around because we'll do that on the final video with the price breakdown and everything. But just thought I'd show you the front end. Colour match is good. Really happy with it all. I love the big black grille in the middle. It really sets it off, and the AMG front bumper looks really nice. So yeah, really happy. Right then, that is going to be it for this one. It's probably turned out to be a marathon, this video. It's been filmed over well over a week. We've just been waiting for parts all week. It's been one of them videos, and I wanted to get it fully built in this video because it's been dragging on. And I've done enough videos on this car. I think people are starting to lose interest. So what we got left, I need to service it. I need to get it MOT'd, which I'm not too sure how easy that's going to be now. I do know quite a few garages, there's quite a few people, so I'm sure I can get something sorted out. I need to clean the inside because the inside's a right mess. I've just given it a bit of a quick wash again on the outside, but I'm sure it'll get dusty in the unit again before then. And then it's finished, all done. So we'll get it up for sale. So I'll get all the last few bits done. I'll get the MOT done, get it fully cleaned and valeted, and do the service. And then I'll just do the one more video. We'll take it for the MOT in that video probably, and get it back and do the price breakdown on the car. And then that'll be it, that'll be done, all done on this car. So as always, thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel if you do enjoy watching these videos. Every single subscriber helps. Big thumbs up for the video, and don't forget to press that bell notification so it tells you whenever I put a video up. Thank you again, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.